The TATE orbital automatic TIG welding machine is transforming industries with its unmatched precision and reliability. It is widely used in the oil industry, chemical processing, natural gas systems, pharmaceutical production, food manufacturing, and cleanroom pipeline systems. Today, let's explore its application in high-pressure oil and gas pipelines. In the oil and gas industry, pipelines are the lifelines for transporting critical resources under extreme pressure and temperature. The TATE welding machine excels in producing leak-proof welds, ensuring structural integrity and operational safety. Its automated orbital welding technology eliminates human error, providing consistent, high-quality welds every time. Additionally, this machine supports a variety of materials, including stainless steel and high-performance alloys, making it indispensable for diverse pipeline projects. With its superior precision and efficiency, the TATE machine minimizes downtime and maximizes productivity, even in the most challenging environments. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE orbital automatic TIG welding machine, offering customized OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment,